Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? I just want to go through this post that CS made. As you can see on your screen, she made this post 2 hours ago. As of the time of recording the video, many of you know who CS is. She don't talk anyhow. She's kind of person that always want to choose her words very carefully before before she talk. And when I saw this post, I felt like okay, it's worth sharing. Let us know what the content of the message. So going through it, you somehow is shocking and is terrifying, but be it as it may, we need to pass the message the way it is without adding or subtracting anything for now, because to me is a disaster. It's a disaster in the sense that the person involved, if that is the way the whole thing is now, is not something that is it's not a laughing matter, okay? And being that the person had been with the PM and um let me not just go say much. I don't want to say much about this for now. Like I said, let us know the content of the message first. Then, if you have anything to say, we said. If not, we may leave it for now and come back later. Because, like I said, personally, I am speechless. Do you understand? I'm not gonna lie. I am speechless. Not in a positive way. Neither is it in a negative way. Because I don't understand a lot has happened, and what you said here, you can be a judge to that, because many of us witnessed that, even though we struggle to identify who is Royce. But whoever the person may be, my concern is the issue, the name Holy Ghost. Despite his recent activities and all that, I cannot just forget the previous one. Anyway, let's go through this. Like CS said, breaking May 3rd. That's when CS is reporting a kind of she's trying to highlight the event of May 3rd, 2025. France, where is Royce, Commander Holy Ghost? When will he broadcast again? Sonny Akbarawa, aka Archibong. Ogenkere, aka Azayan Yog. Success, where is Commander Holy Ghost, aka Royce? Daily for 5 months. These individuals hide behind and use Commander Royce to lie and deceive Biafrans against the struggle, against the new nation and myself. This struggle instituted and suffered for by Oyendu Namodekano, PM Zamonekpa. They hide, they hide behind and use Commander Roy's name to sabotage the United States of Biafra USB government that our leader Maznamo Kanu, Maznamo de Okukano, MNK, Ohamadike Biafra, and Mazamonekba, Joko, ESM, Agune Chamber suffered and still suffering for. They go against USB government using Briggy fallback group to misinterpret and deceive innocent and unsuspecting Biafrans, and become the tools used by the delegitimized governor and Nigerian state to disrupt our freedom restoration. Sonny Akbarawa, you deceit and lies has by Commander Holy Ghost. Deceit, you see, has by Commander Holy Ghost. That's why I felt goosebumps when I hear this. What is going on? And other innocent Biafran armies. Wow! And you manipulated and posted on his X handle to pretend as if he is still there, just as you and your cohorts hijack our official Briggy email account and also hide your criminality. Sonny Akbarawa, why don't you tell Biafrans where Royce is? You use him daily. Let him broadcast your lie and manipulations to Biafrans. Your sabotage has your sabotage has cost him his life and service to Biafran, and I believe his soul will revenge and visit you all one after another. Sonny Akbarawa, aka Archibong. The game you and your cohort played with Biafrans is coming to an end. Bring out one or two army commanders. You bring out one or two commanders you and Oginkere have to speak to Biafrans in your program. You observed over 30 commanders of the USB government speak to Biafrans during the past question and answer sections online, okay, with so many that could not log in due to network problems. Where is army you are deceiving Biafrans and doing fundraising for? Heh. Table seems to be doesn't mean that table turn around, because they used to ask this kind of question before. You cause unsuspecting innocent Biafrans, innocent Biafrans army their life, especially Commander Holy Ghost, who you pin in your X account page and use him with your cabals to lie severally against me and the United States of Biafra. Biafra is a spirit. Only the truth will be used to destroy the zoo and secure our new nation USB. Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, COS, United States of Biafra. So this is the post that COS made. And when I read this, I was somehow down. Not because of anything, because, as no na mara ebe enedozu bibia obido n'ụkwụ. It is true that a lot has happened. Like I said, I don't want to blame anybody now, because we all noticed, we all witnessed it. Okay, we saw how some people are dishing out lies, are still doing it, even now. They are still doing it as I speak. So it's not a news any longer. We are getting used to that. But the issue of, personally, like when I tell you that I don't support any killing of anybody, and when you see the write-off of CS here, to me, I can feel the pain in her words, meaning that she's not happy about, if at all something happened to Holy Ghost, um, is a disaster. You understand? It's a disaster. No matter how you want to see it, it's a disaster. And like I said, I don't wish anybody to buy. Family people have issue, can have disagreement. But this issue of buying, that's why when Royce was threatening people's life, I was like, what is going on? So let us go through the comment section here, just a few things. And as you can see here, is it the comment? Hopefully. See how our brothers are leading. Okay, this is not, this is not it. This is not it. Let me see. How would I open this? Let me see if I can. I just want to go through the comment section so that let's see what Biafran said about it before, because like, we don't need to. We may add our own letter. Evidence is joke. That's from Marvelous. And Drake, our brother, said, eh, Ewuchimo. Hand don't finally touch the idiot. Who is next? Hmm. Humble Lion said, they are hiding in shame. Mommy, thanks for your good work. Girlfriend, love you. And DBM, this is why I love you personally. No much touch. Action. There's no more talk. I believe action speak for himself. That uh, Mommy, thanks for protecting the mandate from the criminal. They can't do more than the US, and today they are gone. Biafrans are wise. They aren't deceiving this generation. Biafran with lies and propaganda. We give PM our mandate to restore Biafra, and we are not going back. Nan, and Biafran exarch said all of them is fading away. Some have changed their names. Mm. You know, this kind of I don't. One thing about these people is that they will come back and say, you you are the one that buy them. You understand? Because that's next thing. That's next thing. I know. If they can say that to go 247, and they said that even the arrest that took place in Enugu, Nigerian army captured the is it arrest or kidnap? I think it should be the what should be kidnapped because I don't know. The arrest sounds like is well deserved. No, so 35 people was captured by the Nigerian army, and in Enugu, then why is such a reaction or response to that is that Ngozi Rabese is one that did it. That's so sometimes when I read that kind of comment, I feel like if Holy Ghost, anyway, let me not, like I said, I will come back for this because I need to digest it properly before. I don't want to say something out of context. Let us just go through it slow, little by little. Like I said, everything that CS said about their action is true. How they started, everything, it is true. uh But to me, I don't support of anything like. But I don't support killing of any kind because it could be Nigerian state that did that. But whatever that happened has happened. I don't know why it's like that. Is a very shocking information. And this person called John C. One thing I love about your comment is the way you were able to capture the screenshot of Royce in the past. Because Royce have said a lot of unprintable stuff. Look at this one. He said, "My spiritual son, Commander Gento, has banned your COS, not Ngozi from entering Biafra land of blah, 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 blah." So, and spiritual son and these people. Anyway, no matter what, this kind of buying of this and buying of that. Okay, this is a QTV. Sh0cking is hereby banned from entering Biafra land till further notice. This one is from QTV, so I don't know when he made this one. Uchechi is not supposed to be. We are not talking about Uchechi here. So Uchechi own is something else. Okay, it's not something else. I don't want to talk about her own. Anyway, my people, like I said, what do you think about this? Because to me, I'm in shock. I'm in shock because what is going on actually? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Anyway, somebody like this person, okay, that's Drake. Okay, tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about it. Okay, I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.